तैयारी है। अगर आप किसी पहाड़ से या आप स्काई डाइविंग भी कर रहे हैं, जितना बढ़िया से बढ़िया डाइवर भी हो, एक थोड़ी नर्वसनेस क्या करता है कि आपको प्रिपेयर बेटर करता है, आप कॉशियस होते हैं। तो उस तरीके से जब भी मैं परफॉर्म करता हूँ, चाहे कोई बहुत
फिल्म एक फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट पे आधारित है और वो फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट एक प्रोफाइल पेज से जा रहा है जिसका नाम है मोना डार्लिंग। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने किसी टिटलेटिंग फैक्टर की वजह से या सिर्फ क्योंकि ग्रैबिंग है इसलिए लिख दिया ये नाम। लड़की का नाम है मोना राहेजा फिल्म में, जो किरदार सुजैना प्ले करती हैं, और कोई इनके साथ प्रैंक करता है और उनके पेज का नाम पलट के मोना डार्लिंग कर देता है और ये गायब हो जाती हैं। तो क्योंकि फिल्म की नींव उस प्रोफाइल पेज पे बेस्ड है, इट वॉज ओनली इट मेड कंप्लीट सेंस। शशि ने जब मुझे स्क्रिप्ट पहली बार सुनाई थी तभी उसका नाम मोना डार्लिंग था, तो ऐसा नहीं हमने कुछ चेंज किया है। शुरू से इस फिल्म का नाम मोना डार्लिंग ही रहा है और इसीलिए है। इफ यू वुड वांट टू ऐड समथिंग।
Pretty much what Anshuman said. We named it Mona Darling for all the right reasons. Hopefully none of the wrong ones. It just so happens that it's most appropriate for this particular script. So much so that we couldn't even conceive of making it if we hadn't got the title.
Yeah,
including the underscore in the title.
Actually, हमारे पास टाइटल नहीं, ये भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी थी। हमने पिक्चर शुरू कर दी थी और टाइटल किसी और के पास था, बहुत ही बड़े प्रोड्यूसर के पास। तो काफ़ी समय लगा टाइटल निकालने में और हमने पिक्चर शुरू तब तक नहीं की जब तक हमें टाइटल नहीं मिला, क्योंकि ये फिल्म किसी और नाम से बन ही नहीं सकती थी, क्योंकि फिल्म की नींव जैसा मैंने कहा मोना डार्लिंग ही है। तो that's the reason why it's called Mona Darling.
My question is for Anshuman, Susanna and Divya. You people have worked with Sanjay Suri sir. He's quite senior to you in this industry. So how was the experience? Were you all guys intimidated with him?
Well, it didn't feel like, he was, we've grown up watching him, and Jankar Beats has
Don't say that. Don't make him feel old.
No, I mean, yeah, I was
We've not grown up watching him. We were in our teens when we started watching him.
Yeah, the time we used to actually pay attention to the men in the film.
I've grown up watching Nasiruddin Shah.
Yes.
She grew up late.
She grew up late.
That's all right.
So anyway, but I think he made us very comfortable. In fact, my first scene was with him, and I was literally shivering, I remember. And I think it's just his aura, the way he is. He's so composed, and he's such a gentleman. He'll always make you feel like, I didn't feel like a newcomer who was working with him for the first time. So he's very warm. I think he's one of the most warmest actors I've worked with.
Thank you, thank you.
I was petrified.
Which is why you're sitting next
Still
to me
is.
now.
I'm still petrified. But yeah, I remember the first day you told me you don't have to be like other serious actors and stay in character if you don't want to. You can do it your own way. You don't have to pretend to be a serious actor or stay in the character and stress yourself over this. Just, you've learned the lines, you've done all the work, now just get out there and act. Stop pretending to be an actor.
Anti-act campaign.
Anti-actor campaign.
That actually really calmed me down and actually helped me do that day. Otherwise, I would have been a wreck that day. So thank you.
I worked with him in Chauranga. So I had this image of Sanjay Suri before I went on set. Because I had only met Bikas Mishra, who directed Chauranga, and Onir, who was one of the producers along with Sanjay. So my first interaction with him was very strange because he was everything else than what I had imagined. So there is a hardcore, funny Punjabi in Sanjay Suri, and I request the industry to make a comedy with him where he gets to, I call him Bobby Prah with love, because he has a side to him which I hope we see in a film sometime soon. As an actor, he's very giving. And I'm not saying that because he's just sitting here. It's fabulous for someone as senior as him and as seasoned as him to not just tell you and share with you his experiences, but also listen to what you're saying. And he always has a ear, and he's always open to discussions and always open to ideas, which I feel very comforting as an actor, because it's never yahi karna hai. It's ye bhi kar sakte hain, ye bhi kar sakte hain, ye bhi kar sakte hain, let's jam together. And acting is a very organic process. So it's great to be with an actor who gives you that space and that freedom. And I personally love him. He's like an elder brother now. He's been guiding me through while I was producing this. I think everyone was a little surprised at the pace at which the film's been made. And
congratulations for that.
Yeah.
Thank you all for such lovely words. Itni
Yeah.
तारीफ and इतना उम्र का तकाजा दे दिया. लेकिन but thank you very much, Anshuman, Susanna, Divya, and Shashi. Thank you for this opportunity to work with Gen Z. इसके दो जवाब हैं. एक तो होता है कि चैलेंजिंग नहीं, बट हर एक्टर को हर परफॉर्मेंस से पहले थोड़ी नर्वसनेस, आई थिंक वो अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि वो आपको आपकी कितनी तैयारी है. अगर आप किसी पहाड़ से या आप स्काई डाइविंग भी कर रहे हैं, जितना बढ़िया से बढ़िया डाइवर भी हो, एक थोड़ी नर्वसनेस क्या करता है कि आपको प्रिपेयर बेटर करता है, आप कॉशियस होते हैं. तो उस तरीके से जब भी मैं परफॉर्म करता हूँ, चाहे कोई बहुत मुझसे सीनियर एक्टर हो या कोई नया टैलेंट हो, तो एक पॉजिटिव नर्वसनेस होती है वो कि आपकी तैयारी है. और बट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स टू ऑल ऑफ देम. इन्होंने, मैं बिकॉज ऑफ सम डेट्स रीडिंग्स के लिए ज़्यादा नहीं आ सका था वर्कशॉप्स के लिए, बट अब इनका काम देखेंगे और अगर इनके साथ अब आप आगे फिल्म में भी देखेंगे, और जब सेट पर दे वाज सो प्रिपेयर्ड दैट आई डोंट थिंक शशि हैड टू गो इनटू थर्ड टेक, फोर्थ टेक और समथिंग, कोई टेक्निकल फॉल्ट होगा वगैरह. परफॉर्मेंस वाइज दे वर फुली प्रिपेयर्ड एंड वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. यस, एंड दे ऑल्सो एक्टर्स हु, कई एक्टर होते हैं वो अकेले एक्टिंग करते हैं, वो दूसरे का सुनते नहीं हैं. तो आई लाइक एक्टर्स हु एक्ट विद यू. अब आप बात कर रहे हैं, आपने सवाल पूछा, मैं आपसे जवाब दे रहा हूँ वगैरह. अगर आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं, मैं किसी और जोन में हूँ, तो ये दे एक्ट विद यू, सो विच इज़ फिर वो मज़ा आता है, फिर सम मैजिक हैपन्स. आई थिंक दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड रिगार्डिंग सीनियर्स और जूनियर्स, यूर इन अ कैरेक्टर देयर, वो पहले थोड़ा सा होता है. आई मीन हम भी जब नए आए थे तो यू नो वर्क विद सीनियर एक्टर्स, तो एक थोड़ा रहता है कि कैसे, बट आई थिंक just in a scene or two, all that, it's a level playing field. Yeah, that's all. How much improvement do you see in Anshuman as an actor now after Anshuman, I have seen his journey from LSD, and he is he's a very natural actor. So you're saying improvement, मुझे तो जो LSD में जो चाहिए था वही उसने किया, चौरंगा में हमारी फिल्म में जो चाहिए था वही किया. So I don't know improvement because he was good even then. जो LSD में चाहिए था वो किया, चौरंगा में जो मोना डार्लिंग में चाहिए था वो किया. So he's been good, but he's very hardworking, और he has he has a nature. मुझे याद है चौरंगा जब कास्टिंग हो रही थी तो ये आया, डायरेक्टर से मिला कि मैं ये रोल करना चाहता हूँ, हालांकि ज़्यादा लेंथ नहीं थी उस रोल में. एंड दैट शोड मी अनदर साइड ऑफ एन एक्ट. वो आजकल कम देखने को मिलता है कि भाई रोल लंबा नहीं है तो नहीं करेंगे. वो छोटा रोल था बट प्रेजेंस थी. इस कैरेक्टर के डायलॉग्स ही नहीं है फिल्म में, चौरंगा में अगर आप नोटिस करेंगे. कुछ गालियां थी, वो सेंसर आउट हो गई थी, तो बेसिकली साइलेंट रोल बन गया था. तो बट ही डिड नॉट हेजिटेट एंड ही वांटेड टू डू दैट रोल, एंड दैट्स अ साइन ऑफ अ गुड एक्टर, यू नो, one of the signs for sure. Yeah. So in terms of improvement, I would say not improvement is the wrong word, but in terms of his journey, he's moved very fast and one of the youngest, or probably the youngest producers of film. I produced my first film when I was, I think 34, and you're not even in 30s. I think he's 30, so turning 30, he's produced his first film independently, without any studio backing, which is wonderful, commendable.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, I haven't done one, so it would have been fun to do one. But I'm not
Not in this
disappointed
film.
at all because this film was very different, and I knew what I was getting into the moment I heard about it for the first time from Anshuman, and when I read Shashi's script. So there's no place for an item number in this.
There's just a number on the beach. And beach has no trees, so which is why they said no running around the trees. Rejecting.
No, I don't think I reject them.
Yeah, even I don't.
I just like
You accept all of them?
Ignore.
Not all of them. I mean, if they're good looking.
See, this is what if the good-looking person is not actually good-looking at the other end? Maybe it's a fake picture. That's exactly what Mona Darling deals with.
Good-looking people can kill people too.
And good-looking people can kill people too. That's true.
That would be mine, I guess.
That you need to
Wait
watch.
and watch. You might be getting one tonight.
You need to watch Mona Darling to figure that out. But may I ask a question to Shashi please, yes, yeah.
I want to ask Sashi sir that he wrote the entire script and you directed it. Like, how was your experience writing and directing a thriller? I've seen you work for like a week, and I was impressed. Really, like, not because it's you, but like. It's really hard to be a director, to just go about everything. So how was your experience working with all of them for the first time?
I'll answer the first question first. The writing, directing, or whatever else that comes after it, the trick is in not thinking of the whole, the whole mountain in front of you. The idea is taking it one step at a time. So when you're writing something, you just write and not really worry about anything else. And then the moment you're on sets, then it is somebody else's script. I don't even consider it to be something that I have written, because at this point you're just directing the movie. Once you're done with that, when we're editing it, somebody else has directed it, because now I have to approach it with a fresh point of view. So that's how I don't mean to say that's how everybody does it, but it seems to have worked in my case. As far as working with everybody else, I mean the cast that's present here, the rest of the cast, and our crew and everything. Someone said directing is hiring the right kind of people, the right kind of talent, and then staying the hell out of the way. And I think that's exactly what I've done. I tried and picked with able help from Anshuman. Everybody who's played the smallest bit part to the main leads, as well as our above the line crew, below the line crew, everybody. We have picked the right person for the right job, and then all I had to do was stay out of their way.
Sit back and enjoy.
Thank you.
It's a very interesting story with Shashi. I was 11 years ago, I was 19 years old. Shashi was Nagesh Kukunur's associate on Iqbal. And I was assisting Subhash Ghai on a film called Black and White. And Shashi had pitched his script to Mr. Ghai. So I read Shashi's first script 11 years ago. It was a film called Cycle Kick, and I was blown away by that script also. So, it's interesting how that came to 2011 when he offered me Mona as an actor, because he saw LSD and he had this script which a studio was backing. So imagine, fell in love with the script which he wrote then, now this one, and fingers crossed we'll be doing something this summer as well.